Have you ever considered what it truly means for a nation to govern itself, to set its own laws and forge its own path on the global stage? It is a complex dance between autonomy and interconnectedness, a challenge many countries navigate. Brexit, the United Kingdom's departure from the European Union, fundamentally altered the landscape of UK sovereignty by restoring full legal and political autonomy. This means the UK Parliament can now make laws without direct oversight from European Union institutions, negotiate its own trade agreements independently, and control its national borders. However, this reassertion of sovereignty also introduced new economic and diplomatic challenges, requiring the UK to redefine its relationships with both its European neighbours and the wider world. At its core, the most significant impact on UK sovereignty stems from the repeal of the European Communities Act of 1972. This pivotal legislation had previously given European Union law supremacy over domestic British law. With its repeal, the UK Parliament reclaimed its position as the supreme lawmaking body, meaning judges can no longer strike down UK laws on the basis of European Union legal principles. This shift firmly reestablishes parliamentary sovereignty, a cornerstone of the UK Constitution. Furthermore, leaving the European Union allowed the UK to exit the Common Commercial Policy, granting it the freedom to negotiate its own trade deals worldwide. This has been a central pillar of the argument for renewed sovereignty, enabling the UK to seek bespoke agreements with countries like Australia, India, and the United States, rather than being bound by European Union-wide terms. Additionally, the UK gained the ability to diverge from European Union regulations, setting its own standards in areas ranging from environmental protection to product safety, though this can also create new trade barriers. For the United Kingdom, this newfound autonomy translates into a direct responsibility for charting its future economic and social policies. The government now leverages this sovereignty to design new domestic legislation that aligns with its own priorities, such as developing a new immigration system or reshaping agricultural subsidies. Businesses, in turn, have had to adapt to new regulatory environments and customs procedures, navigating both the opportunities of independent trade deals and the complexities of trade with the European Union under new terms. A key concept that fueled the Brexit movement was taking back control, emphasizing the desire for national self-determination. This is clearly visible in the Great Repeal Bill, which converted thousands of existing European Union laws into UK domestic law at the point of departure, providing continuity while allowing for future amendments. However, the complexities of sovereignty are also evident in arrangements like the Northern Ireland Protocol. This agreement required the UK to make specific concessions regarding trade within its own borders to avoid a hard border on the island of Ireland, illustrating that even full sovereignty can involve intricate compromises. Ultimately, Brexit has delivered a significant reassertion of UK sovereignty, providing the government with greater control over its laws, borders, and trade policy. This empowerment offers the potential for the United Kingdom to forge a distinct global identity and pursue national interests more directly. While this path presents its own set of challenges, it underscores a fundamental shift in the UK's relationship with the world, allowing it to proactively shape its economic future and international standing as an independent nation.